Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sanibani guys, ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila. Story time. Uyamana logogo lo ohlala ngakini wakamakhelwane. Lo ethiwa wenze njalo. Lo kuthiwa mangabenilele yena. Uyambona ngithi. Okay. Nangasekhaya guys wayekhona ugogo wakuthiwa ukanjalo ngasekhaya kababa. So wayesikhonzile ke thina, especially ndithini ingane zababa because sasifika lapha ngokuvakasha yabo. Esikhonzile nje ugogo abantu. Okay, kuthi ngelinye ilanga afike ekhaya ezocela ugogo sinogogo uma ngababa wayesaphila naye. Azocela ugogo ukuthi uzocela ukuthi izingane zizosiza, uzoba nenkonzo ngeviki elilandelayo kwakhe. Kuzolethwa inkonzo abazalwane wayesonta. Esonta ngisakhuluma noma wayekose gospel noma kwakuyikuphi kodwa wayesonta. Akhe kungabi nankinga. Ugogo ke ayike ufike ke usuku lokuthi ke kulethwe inkonzo. Oh, before that, ubaba ngisho wayithanda wayewasicela sona ukuthi yena nomngane wakhe besakhula ngelinye ilanga bevela kojima kuze wayidlala ibhola. Bevela kojima, shuthi bajima ngasho ukuthi bese bahlala yabo kwaze kwaba late. Sebegoduka ke bevela kojima. Bathi sebehamba nje behamba endleleni bazwe izigi like ama footsteps. Mabese balala kahle nama footsteps lawa. Uthi futhi imizimba yabo kube ngazo bayashwaqa like emzimbeni ngazo bayashwaqa guys. Uthi bame leti izisondele iziqondane nabo lento le. Mabethi bayabheka ugogo sibanibani ugibele emfeni. Athi ngani kasibani nawe ngani kasibani ababeze ngamagama oma wabo. Niyangibona. Ingenisho ukuthi ningibonile nizongithola kahle. Hayi angabusaqhubeka ajike nemfeni abuyele emuva. Usubaba ke babaleke ke bona. Mase ngithi ngiyahlanganisa kahle le story lesi sesoso senkonzo nalesaba ngiyabona ukuthi uyena lo gogo sibanibani. Unfortunately because ubaba wagcina eshonele engakaza sitshela ukuthi kwakuma mbango bakathiwa bangasho. Fika usuku lenkonzo. Okay siyaqoba. Ukhazi nami ummese wakhe wakuthunta bongekho sharp. Ahambe ayikitchen eyofuna ummese onjani osharp. Isikhathi side nje kusemva kwesikhathi ayibo ngihambe ngimbheke ukuthi ayibuka usishone phabo thene ngasabuyi. Hayi ngene ekitchen ngimtholi ngihambe ngibheke izindlu because izindlu zalapha kwakuyizindlu lezi ezihlukahlukene la fike kubu round iflat yabo kanjani. Shuthi ngiyajikeleza ke ngaphela la kule ndlu le flat leli la khona abazalwane so angifuni ukuhamba ngaphambili ngihambe ngasemva kwendlu. Mangithi nhla emva kwendlu. Hayibo guys. Mangithi inhla emva kwendlu bafethu into engaka emfishane like kwasadwarf like ihair yabo ukuthi uyabona imfene ukuthi hair kanjani ihair kuhle kwemfene emva kalokho inezinwele ezinde ezilingana nayo imfishane imfishane mhlawumbe nje futhi ngaphansi kwedwarf imfishane. Ntanhle leyo uma ngibheka lento le ibhekele yona mina ngibona isingemuva sayo ngikwazi ukuya ngize ngiyibone ubuso ngibona isingemuva sayo guys. I froze like I literally froze. Hibo like ngabathanga tight ngangazana ukuthi ngithini ingqondo masibuya kube khona into esayibo baleka usameleni imlo. Angisabanga ngisalanda nokuthi ukhazi nami ngajika buyele emuva ekhaya ngibaleka ngiyagoga ekhaya ngibaleka. Ayibo ngafika sengikhala futhi afike ekhaya sengikhala bangikhumbula kahle afike ekhaya sengikhala. Ayibo kwasaba 2 hours nje ukuthi ngize ngicalm down emva kaloko axoxela ugogo ukuthi ke kwenzakaleni. Ukhazi nami like guys emva kwesikhathi naye abuyele ekhaya ubuya kuyena ucikile uyabuza ukuthi hayibo ngibuyeleni lapha ngaphela bese ngaqedi kushoda ukuthi besamele ukuthi siphakele abantu like siwe abazalwane ngindaba ngibuyile engamtshela istory naye wahlala ekhaya phindanga wahamba. Guys, witchcraft is real because la mama lakho kodwa ngangihlezi nje bese ukuthi mina izinto ngangiya like ama rumors ngakungayo into ngangisiza ngifaka enhlizweni yabo because angihlezi ngizwa nje uthiwa gogo akasibani lakho kodwa hey nje ngikhula nje kuthiwa lakho kodwa unzima. And ke wayengave nomusa bafethu because wayesonta engave nomusa because wayenengadi kwakhe eyayinobanana ephana ngobanana wangakupha ngisho isidleke sabhanana uwedwa indlela wayephana ngayo futhi wayesonta-ke nje so wawungeke nje uzukholwa ukuthi ayibo ngempela kodwa-ke hayi cha shame.
One thing about witchcraft is just that if you've never experienced it, you will not believe in it. Like, you will definitely not believe that it even exists, but it's there. And what I've learned is that witches are people that we know. Our enemies are people that we know, maybe our neighbors, your relatives, friends, people that are close to you, okay? Because there is no one who will just witch you without knowing you, without having access to you. Yes, and especially those that are renting out, they be very, very careful. And also, if you do have kids, be very, very careful with your neighbors, with people that you're staying with. Be cautious of your surroundings, man, because it can get worse. What this lady is explaining here and what she saw is very terrifying. I don't even want to lie. I cannot imagine myself seeing that. And she's saying that even her father saw something like that, saw a very terrifying and shocking thing. But unfortunately, he did not manage to say it due to, obviously, the person that they saw told them, if you ever say anything, I will deal with you. So they were forced now to keep quiet until, unfortunately, he passed away. So until today, she doesn't know what her father saw. And for Yena, she managed to tell her cousin, yo, this and this and this is happening with this lady. And what I want to say is that there is no smoke without fire. As long as you grow up hearing, yo, this lady right here, she's very dangerous. Play far away from that person. Like, that's just my advice. Play far away from that person because people are not crazy. They are not crazy. They will not just come up here with some stories, some random things and accuse someone of something that does not exist. Normally, if you hear so many people believing in that, it's because there is something that they've realized with the person, or they've picked something about that person and then they saw what there is danger here. And then because you are Thomas, you want to believe when you see it, you will want to experience that and you will be left terrified. Trust me, like, you will be left shocked and terrified for the rest of your life. You can just imagine seeing such thing, like, which you cannot even explain yourself. What is it? A human being? Is it like, what is it? Like, I can just imagine right now seeing this short person, a dwarf, even shorter than a dwarf, and then long nails. Like, I really don't know how I will react to that. But I thank God that she did manage to run away. Because I've heard so many stories which, like, if you see such things, you cannot manage to run away, because if you do and then you fall down, that wound will not get healed. If you broke your leg, it will be like that until you die. I don't know if this is true. Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. Do you know anything about this mystery? I don't know what to call it. That if something, these night things run after you and then you run away, you fall down, you broke your leg, or anything happened, it will not get healed until you die. Please comment down below if you know anything about this.